Hi there, it's Jenny from Ads Uncorked. I am super excited to take you behind the scenes for part 3 of checking in on one of my clients' ad campaigns. Now, this is a client of mine who went ahead and purchased our Facebook ads course, and included in that is a free campaign check-in from yours truly. So here I am coming in, checking in on how her ads are doing. Now, as mentioned, her ads have not been running that long, so it's difficult to pull huge, big conclusions of moving forward for her entire business. What should she do? What should she not do? It's literally been running for 2 days, but there are absolutely some takeaways that I'm going to share with her, and I'm going to share with you all to show you what you should be keeping tabs on, when you come in here and actually look at your ads. So we have running for her the exact same ad copy, but she has it set up in 2 different manners. One is as a single image, and one is a carousel ad. So they're like swiping through. Now, again, she's going to need to check on this again next week and the following week, but I want to show you a perfect example of how there can be a stark difference between the link click-through rate. Take a look at this. First off, like I said, around a 1% is what you should be shooting for. Anything lower than that, we've got to change up something. However, this is out of this world. She has a 3% click-through rate on one, a 7% on another. Again, this needs many more impressions, but this is a perfect example of what you should be keeping your eyes on. I'm feeding out right now impressions to the single image ad, but this one has a 7% click-through rate right now. This one has a 3. Which one do you think we should spend her money on? The one with the 7% click-through rate. For now, right? Like, let's let the data come in and inform our future decisions. Again, check in on this next week, but that is huge. Another item, look at the cost per link click. So how much it's costing her for someone to click on the ad and make it to her website. 11 cents versus 58 cents. Again, it's clear what will probably end up pulling through for her will be the single image, but we need many more data points to pull that conclusion. But this is, an example of how there sometimes will be a very stark difference between what's working and what isn't working. Now, one other thing, I already showed you how to set up your custom columns. I have the reporting column set up for her. When we have enough data points, she will also come in and see here how many people are purchasing, how many people are adding to cart, and she should see a stark difference between the single image and the carousel. Right? She doesn't have enough data right now to go off of, but that is something that I will encourage her to look at in the future. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, shoot me an email. I love doing tutorials.